Hi guys, this is part 2 in making a Ben 10 game in Scratch. So if you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. Link is on the description below. So in my last video I showed you how to code our play button with this cool animation. And I showed you how to code our Ben. And on the first level, Ben will transform into forearms and Kevin will transform into dark matter. And I showed you how to code these medallions as well as the bad medallions, which are the Antitrix. So in this video I'll be showing you how to code our Ben's and Kevin's other aliens, and how to code the HP, and how to code the transitions and our thumbnail. So let's get started. So first I'll be showing you how to code our HP. So go to this bar 1, and whenever you see a green flag click, we need to hide. So I'll minimize the screen and duplicate this. Whenever you see play, we need to hide, and whenever you see start, we need to go to X -250 and Y 152, and then we need to show, and forever grab an if statement. So before the if, we need to set our color effect to 0, set size to Ben Alien HP, and go backward 1 layer. And if Ben Alien HP is lesser than 75, then we need to set the color effect to 150. This will make the color effect to like yellow. Alien HP is lesser than 30, then we need to set our color effect to 120. So that will give a red color effect. Grab another if statement. So if, grab an O block. So if Ben Alien HP is equal to 0, O. If Ben Alien HP is lesser than 0, then we need to hide. And whenever you start, we need to show, forever go backward 1 layer. Duplicate this, and when I receive start, we don't need to show block. So forever, we don't need this, go backward and duplicate this. So if Ben Alien HP is 0 or lesser than 0, then we need to set send medallions to end. Then we need to broadcast game over, and then we need to stop this script. So okay, now click on bar 1 and duplicate this, and now you will get a sprite called bar 2. And when I receive play, we need to go to X 240 and Y 152. Then we need to set size to Kevin alien HP. Change this all to Kevin alien HP. And when I receive start, we don't need to set medallions to end. We need to broadcast a new message called level up. So level up, and stop the script and duplicate this. And when I receive a new message called restart, click OK. We need to do the same script. And now let's go to the top and duplicate this and change this to when I receive restart. Now go for bar 1 and duplicate this playbook when I receive play and change this to when I receive restart. So okay, now let's test our game bar. So now we can see our game bar appears. So if your game bar 2 does not appear here, try clicking on that and go for costumes, and then you can select this and place where you want. So okay, our game bar script works. So click on bar 1 and make sure to change this to when I receive start, and go for bar 2, and it's not when I receive play, it's when I receive start. So now I'll be showing you how to code our HP. So click on HP, which has the green text, and when I receive green flag click, we need to hide, duplicate. When I receive play, we need to hide, and when I receive start, we need to forever go to X negative 153 and Y 167. Then we need to show and set our drag mode to not draggable. So let's copy this script to our HP2, which has the red text. And let's clean up the blocks. Remove this comment. And when I receive start, we need to go to X 158 and Y 168. So okay, now let's test our HP. So now you can see our HP text appears. So our HP works. So now I'll be showing you how to code our transition sprite. So click on transition sprite, so it's level complete, view 1 and game over. And when I receive green flag clicked, we need to hide and duplicate. When I receive play, we need to hide, and when I receive start, we need to hide. And when I receive level up, So I'll just minimize the screen. So when I receive level up, we need to set next level to N, and set medallions to N, and then we need to switch costume to level complete sprite, and then we need to go forward one layer, go to front layer, then we need to set our X to 500, and then we need to show, and then we need to start sound new level. So make sure you upload the sound dead and new level, and then grab a repeat. So repeat 6, we need to change our X by -80, and then we need to change our X by -15, wait 0.45 seconds, and then we need to repeat 5, change our X by -80, and then we need to hide and broadcast new message called Ben again. And just duplicate this and change this to when I receive game over. We need to switch costume to game over sprites and remove these two blocks. Then we need to show and remove all these blocks, and we need to start sound dead. So let's play sound dead until done, and then stop this quick. It's not, and then stop all, and duplicate this, and when I receive new message called 1, we need to switch costume to U1, and then repeat 6, so you don't need to play any sound, and then we can stop all. Okay, these are the codes for the transition sprite. So okay, now let's test the transition sprite. So now you can see our level complete transition works. So our transition sprite works. So now I'll be showing you how to code out Ben. So click on Ben, just minimize the screen and duplicate this, and when I receive Ben again, we need to broadcast new level. Wait 1 second, show, and then we need to set new next level to Y, and then we need to broadcast restart, and when I receive level up, we need to set level next level to N, and duplicate this, and when I receive restart, we need to set send medallions to Y. Okay, now click on backdrops, and when I receive play, duplicate this. So if level equals 2, we need to switch costume to cave, this volcano, and duplicate this. And if level equals 3, we need to switch costume to forest knight. Level equals 4, cave 2. Just duplicate the whole thing. So if level equals 5, we need to switch backdrop to forest. Level equals 6, forest knight, and 7. We need to switch costume to volcano. 8, switch costume to forest. So you can switch your backdrop to any backdrop you like. So 9 to water because it's overflow versus undertow, and 10 it's mountains, and 11 to sky because it's stinkfly versus conflict. It's okay, and when I receive green flag clicks, we need to switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Forever, we need to play sound Ben 10 until done. It's the Ben 10 theme song. So now I'll be showing you how to code our Ben's and Kevin's aliens. So click on Ben's aliens. Clean up these blocks, and when I receive restart, so I'll just increase the size, grab a forever, and an if statement. So if next level equals y, grab a if statement, and an if else. So if level equals 2, then we need to remove this. So we need to go to x, negative 124 and negative 39, and then show. So if touch equals 1, switch costume to A21, else A2. Okay, and when I receive level up forever, we need to hide. So okay, now click on Kevin's aliens, and when I receive level up, we need to hide and stop other scripts in the sprite. And when I receive restart, we need to set Kevin alien HP to 100. And then grab a forever. So if next level equals y, grab an if statement. So if, just duplicate this whole thing, remove this. Oops. If level equals 2, switch costume to A2, A21, A2, so make sure you do the changes. Now click on bad medallions, and when I receive level up, we need to delete this clone. So we need to delete these clones and go for medallions. When I receive game over, forever, we need to stop other scripts in this break. Then we need to delete this clone and duplicate this, and when I receive Ben again, we need to stop other scripts in this sprite, remove the forever block, and we need to hide and delete this clone. The same thing for when I receive level up. It's okay. So now I'll be showing you how to code our thumbnail. So click on thumbnail, and when we flat clicked, we need to go forward one layer, go to front layer, and set our ghost effect to 100. And when I receive green flat click, we need to set our ghost effect to 100. So this is our thumbnail script. So now click on backdrops, and when I receive new level, we need to change our level by 1. And when I receive start, forever, grab if, grab O, so if O less, so if game over is equal or lesser than 0, then we need to broadcast game over and stop the script. So when I receive start, forever, grab an if statement. So if level equals 12, then we need to broadcast 1 and stop the script. So okay, now let's test our game, and you can hear our background sound. And our HP appears, so our HP works. And you can see when we click the medallions, dark matter's HP decreases, and if we miss any medallions, forearm's HP would decrease. And level complete. So this is the second level. You can see our backdrop changes, and our alien changes into heat blast, and Kevin's alien also changes into hotshot. If we click the red medallions 3 times, the game would end. So our Ben 10 game works. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe and share. And see you with another awesome Scratch tutorial.